Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So today, just a quick video. There may be another one up later. I'm with a project to share with you, but I just wanted to show you this week's Friday freebie. So every Friday over in my Facebook group, Create with Scrimpingmommy, you know where to find the link, I offer free digitals. I've said before, sometimes it's just the odd page, sometimes it's a few pages. This week we've actually had two, because I did one fun kind of cutesy one for those who celebrate St. Pat's, and then I've done this special one today. So this kit was inspired by my lovely friend Kay, and Kay has a special affinity, oh, couldn't think of the word then, for snowdrops, and she said to me, would you make something with snowdrops? Well, when my friend Kay asks for something, then I will jump, because she does an awful lot for me. She shares all of my stuff. She's a lovely friend. We've been to her house and she looks after us like family. So I sat last night and I got to work. So if you want this, it's only a few pages. I think there's four page little collection. Just come on over, join the Facebook group, and you can download it from there. We've got JPEG versions and PDF, okay, so it's not a problem. And they're in A4 format, totally free, and I think it's super pretty. So the camera might not pick it up, but I've gone for a soft blue because I know that my friend Kay likes the sea. She lives not far from the sea, she's very lucky. And then we've got the lovely snowdrops here and some bluebells. And then tucked away in the corner here we've got some forget-me-nots. We've got some brickwork here and some vintage script, and it just looks really pretty and really light and airy. I'm really pleased with it. And then the second one's very similar, except we've got a framed vintage snowdrops photo, and we've got some more spring flowers here. So yeah, that's pretty. And then I just turned those images into some tags, and then I made some little like frames. They're meant to be like metal frames, so you can either stamp there or add a word there, or you can cut it out, and add little brads. You could put some embossing powder on, or some glossy accents to give it some shine. There's loads of things you could do with it, and then just some little cutter parts there to layer up with. And then we've got obviously a background one, and I'm really pleased with this because I wanted the background there to look like the paper had been folded and creased, and it's worked quite well, so I'm happy with that. And it, as I say, it's a lovely soft shabby kind of bird egg blue. I think that's the kind of look I was going for anyway. So if you'd like to come and take advantage of the freebies that I give, come on over and join the Facebook group. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything. We do have certain rules that you have to adhere to, which are very basic, and probably every single Facebook group in the whole entire world has the same rules. So it's nothing special, nothing over strict, but you know what I mean, just to keep things nice and fair and in order. So there you go, that's this week's. Hopefully I'll be back probably early evening with a tutorial for you. So thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.